Ngai Nameseni kobondela mobali alingi. Welcome to this video. My name is Mwalimu Chris Care. Now, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. I normally do this kind of content where I translate popular songs that were done in Lingala language. I also give profiles and biographies of different artists from the Democratic Republic of Congo that have really excelled in the world of rumba. And I've previously done a profile of Franco Luambo Makiadi. So what I want to do in this video is to give you a translation of the song that is playing. The song is called Ceasar, aboya. Ceasar, aboya means Ceasar has rejected you, means that Ceasar is no longer in love with you, means that whatever affair there was between you and Ceasar is no more, because he has refused you, he has rejected you, he is no longer interested in having an affair with you. Now the song is largely done in chorus, although we have sections where Vicky Longomba leads, and so it's a very interesting song. The persona in the song is a woman who is saying, who is telling her former husband or boyfriend that she's done with him, but he should now stop the new catch from disturbing her because she has since moved on. So here is the song. I will try to be a little bit fast. Ngai nalingi te Nzambe, Ngai nayo tosuana. You know, I don't want a situation where we are quarreling, where me and you are quarreling. Nameseni kobondela mobali Nameseni kobondela mobali alingi. You know, I'm not used to begging for a man who does not love me. I'm not used to, you know, coming down, you know, and really begging for a man to love me. A man who actually does not love me. Pardon nakosenga. So excuse me, I'm requesting you, I'm asking you. Pekisa mwasi nayo oyo ozui sika. So please ask that woman of yours, your latest catch. Request her, ask her, banish her, ban her, if you will, from doing the things she's doing. Likambo yango, I know this problem. Etali, this is your problem. Likambo yango, etali, this one is your problem, it's your issue. Azali kofinga Ngai, she's abusing me. Kotongo Ngai, she's backbiting me. Alobi yo oboyi. She's saying that you've refused me, that you dropped me. Nakolanda, I will not follow. Nayebi. Why? Because I know you. Alobi, you know the way she spoke with you. Tango to bandaki lokola ozui. You know the way you started, how you got her. You know she talked about it. Ngai nalingite, but for me I do not want. Ngai nayo tosuana. I don't want us to quarrel. Nameseni
kobondela mobali alingi te.
Nameseni te kobondela mobali alingi te. I'm not used to begging a man who is not in love with me, a man who does not love me.
Pardon nakosenga yo.
Pardon nakosenga yo. So kindly I'm asking you.
Pekisa mwasi na yo oyo sika.
Pekisa mwasi na yo oyo ozui sika. So please banish, advise that woman your latest catch. Talk to her. Ask her.
Likambo yango etali oooh.
Likambo yango etali, you know that is your problem. That is your issue.
Azali kofinga Ngai.
Azali kofinga Ngai. She is actually abusing me.
Kotongo Ngai Alobi oboyi Ngai.
Kotongo Ngai Alobi oboyi Ngai. And you know she is gossiping about me, saying that you know you refused me, you dropped me, we are no longer together.
Nakolanda te nayebi oooh.
Nakolanda te nayebi. I'm not going to follow that because I know you.
Maloba na yo ntango to bandaki lokola ozui.
Maloba na yo ntango to bandaki lokola ozui. And you know these are your issues from the time when you started with her. You know it's your issue. Guitar.
Azali kofinga Ngai.
Azali kofinga Ngai. She is abusing me.
Kotongo Ngai Alobi oboyi Ngai.
Kotongo Ngai Alobi oboyi Ngai. And gossiping and talking about me, saying that you refused me.
Nakolanda te nayebi oooh.
Nakolanda te nayebi. I'm not going to follow because I know you.
Maloba na yo.
Maloba na yo. I know all these issues of yours.
Tango to bandaki lokola ozui.
Tango to bandaki lokola ozui. You know how you even got her. You know I know that. I know all those things. I know all those issues. But now. Vicky Longomba says, Ngai nazali nangana Likambo te. You know, I don't have an issue. I don't have a problem with you. I mean,
nyoso
yo kolobanga na kondimayo. You know, everything that you will say, I agree with it. You know, whatever you want to say, I am agreeable with it.
Pekisa mwasi na yo ya sika.
Pekisa mwasi na yo ya sika. Please, ban your woman, abolish your woman from talking to me the way she, you know, the thing she is doing. Please prohibit your new woman. Atika kakotumo langa. You know, she's provoking me. She's doing everything so that she can capture my attention, so that I can get annoyed. She's actually provoking me. So tell her to stop provoking me. Natikela yo ye. You know, I left you for her. You know, it's done. I moved on. Atika kakodondwa. Let her stop bragging. Mbanda nangai alobi lokuta. You know, my sombanda is rival. So my rival is lying. Why is she lying?
Tofinga
na kasoki tokutani na nzela. You know, we normally abuse each other every time we meet on the road. Oh, Ceasar aboya yo di. You know, she tells me that Ceasar refused you. Ceasar aboya yo di. That, you know, that Ceasar refused you. He dropped you. You are no longer together. Ozela kadini. What are you still waiting for? That man dropped you. You are no longer together. Oh, uta aboya yo. From the time he refused you, from the time he dropped you. Gelele bakayo. From the time he refused you, now you are very hungry. You are broke. You know, you are no longer as looking as good as you used to. Yeah.
Obungande kolata wax yo.
Obungande kolata wax. You know, you even forgot how to wear wax. So waxy are this nice African materials that are used to make clothes. So clothes that are made from very nice African materials. So she tells her that obungande kolata wax, that you even forgot how to dress the way you used to dress before.
Ngai nazana
ngana likambo. I don't have an issue with you at all. Nyoso yokolo bangai na kondimayo. Everything that you say, I'm agreeable with it, you know.
Pekisa mwasi na yo ya sika.
Pekisa mwasi na yo ya sika. But you know, banish your new woman. Banish your latest catch. Atika kakotumo langai from provoking me. Let her stop provoking me. Natikela yo ye. You know, I left you for her, you know. Atika kakodondo. Let her stop bragging and, you know, talking big around. 7. So that is 7. Sucks. Vicky again says, Ngai nazali nangana likambote. I do not have a problem. I do not have an issue. Nyoso yokolo bangai na kondimayo. You know, everything that you say, I'll accept. I'll agree with it, you know.
Pekisa mwasi na yo ya sika.
Pekisa mwasi na yo ya sika. Please banish your new catch, your new woman. Atika kakotumulanga. Let her stop disturbing me. Natikela yo ye. You know, I left you to her, you know. Atika kakodondo. Let her stop this bragging and this talking big, you know. Mbandananga kasi Alobi lokuta. But you know, my co-wife, my rival is lying. Tofinga nakasoki tokutani nanzela. I agree. We normally abuse, we normally exchange words every time we meet on the road. Oh, Ceasar, aboya yo di. You know, Ceasar refused you. Ceasar is no longer in love with you. Those are the things that she tells me. Can you imagine? Ozela kanini. What are you still waiting for? You know, you've been dropped. He's no longer in love with you. Uta aboya, from the time that he dropped you, from the time that he refused you. Ngelele bakayo, you know, hunger and lack have visited on you. You no longer have the things that you used to have, food and the like. Obungande kolata wax. You know, you even lost the whole idea of putting on the way you used to, you know. What a song this one is. Ceasar, aboya yo. Ceasar refused you. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button. My name is Mwalimu Chris Care. See you in the next video. Thank you.